Tesla is set to revolutionize the automotive industry, as highly anticipated Cybertruck might just be hitting the streets sooner than we thought. Elon Musk has dropped some hints, suggesting that the Cybertruck could be making its grand entrance this quarter. The news of the Cybertruck's coming arrival has ignited excitement among investors, causing Tesla's stock to soar to new heights. But that's not all. We have managed to sneak peek inside Tesla's 18-wheeler Semi that boasts an astonishing range of 500 miles on a single charge. What clues reveal the Cybertruck's arrival, and what awaits inside Tesla's 18-wheeler Semi? Dive in this video to unravel the answers. Tesla's highly anticipated Cybertruck is set to have a delivery event in the third quarter, as confirmed by CEO Elon Musk earlier this year. With the arrival of the third quarter, Tesla enthusiasts are eagerly awaiting the entire reveal of the Cybertruck, which has faced multiple delays in the past. In April, during the first quarter earnings call, Musk stated that Tesla would finally start delivering production of Cybertrucks later this year. This was later emphasized in May, further raising anticipation among fans. Local reports have also surfaced, suggesting that Cybertruck production lines are gearing up for production as early as this month. Furthermore, sightings of camouflage Cybertrucks in various locations and a recent appearance in Los Angeles with chief designer Franz von Holzhausen behind the wheel have sparked excitement and speculation. Tesla's recent achievements add to the anticipation surrounding the Cybertruck. The company recently reported record deliveries of 466,000 vehicles in the April to June period, demonstrating its ability to meet increasing demand and scale up production. However, it's worth noting that Musk's promises regarding the Cybertruck's production timeline have encountered delays in the past. Initially slated for late 2021, the production start date was subsequently pushed back to 2022 and then to 2023. Despite these setbacks, Musk's recent focus on manufacturing challenges and production targets indicates a more grounded approach, as Tesla gets closer to actual production. During various events this year, Musk has emphasized the difficulty of manufacturing the Cybertruck due to its radically new design. He has acknowledged the need for innovative manufacturing techniques and cost efficiencies. Musk outlined a production S-curve, starting slow and then ramping up, with estimated annual production ranging from 250,000 to 500,000 vehicles depending on demand. But affordability remains a challenge. Musk originally stated in 2019 that the Cybertruck would start at $39,000. However, as the production approaches, the feasibility of this price point in the initial years seems increasingly unlikely. Despite the obstacles, Musk remains optimistic about the progress made so far. He mentioned the development of new manufacturing techniques to build the Cybertruck's exoskeleton-based design, emphasizing the non-trivial nature of it.
As usual guys, thanks for watching. If you made it to the end of the video, you're always a winner, like I'll say. And yeah, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. And don't forget to leave a like and all do those stuff, you know. Yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.